Hey guys, today I'm going to make some black beans and rice in the Instant Pot. So let's apply some pressure. This is going to be real simple. I put 4 cups of water in my Instant Pot, or 1 quart. It's 4 cups is 1 quart. Water's at the 1 quart line. So I'm also going to add 1 cup of brown rice and 1 cup of black beans. And that's it. I'm not going to season it with anything. Maybe at the end I'll add a little bit of salt. You could season it more with something if you wanted to, but I'm just going to keep it real simple like this and probably make some burritos with it. So anyway, we'll get that into the pot and we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this for 20 minutes on the pressure cook setting, and I'm going to let the pressure release on its own. So I will set the timer on my phone and let you guys know how long that takes. It's been 33 minutes and the pot just shut off, but as you can see the pressure pin is still up. So as long as that's up and the pot is sealed, everything is still cooking. So I'm just going to let that release on its own. I don't want hard beans. The pressure pin just dropped, so that took 54 minutes by the time the pot preheated, went through the 20-minute cooking cycle, and then the pressure released. So let's open it up and see how it looks. Looks like it's cooked good. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to this now and kind of mix it up. And then we'll try a little bit of it out. This isn't the prettiest food in the world, but it makes good burritos. So I have a flour tortilla here. I'll add some salsa to the top of that. And some cheese. I got some cheddar jack cheese here. So put some of that on there. And then I've got some of this sour cream in a pouch, actually to squeeze on stuff. It works pretty good, so we'll squeeze a little sour cream down the middle there. That looks pretty good. And then here's how I like to fold my burritos. I just fold it up from the bottom, kind of make a flap like that. Then I make a small fold like that. That kind of locks the flap in place. And then you go across and across like that, and sorry, it's open face. So we'll give that a try. Like I said, makes pretty good burritos. I'm not sure if Annie will be too thrilled about beans and rice, but we'll see. There you go, there's a little pile of it, Annie. What do you think? Well, she's eating that better than I expected, actually. Yeah, I guess it's Annie approved. That's something that's fairly inexpensive and it's easy to keep on hand. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.